Here I have HUAWEI Ascend Y520 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. At the very beginning, tap apps icon, let's choose settings, scroll down and under personal, let's choose language and input. Afterwards, you have to choose language from the top of the screen, and here you can choose your desired language. So in my case, let me select the Espanol, for example, so the Spanish. And as you can see, the whole list of settings and also applications goes into Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, just tap apps icon, find and select Ajustes. Let's scroll down and choose Idioma y Teclado. Tap Idioma one more time, and from the following list, let's choose English. And as you can see, everything is in English right now, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.